Hello, everyone. Let's identify together the structures on the vertebral column and the vertebra blank figures. This is the vertebral column. First, we have the cervical curvature, which consists of 7 vertebrae, C1 through C7. It is concave in shape. Moving to the thoracic curvature, which consists of 12 thoracic vertebrae, T1 through T12, and it is convex in shape. Moving to the lumbar curvature, which consists of 5 vertebrae, L1 through L5. It is concave in shape. In total, we have 24 vertebra. Moving to the sacral curvature, which consists of 5 fused vertebra. These 5 fused vertebra are convex in shape and they form the sacrum. And then we have the coccyx, which consists of 4 small fused vertebra. Let's label the parts on the vertebra. This right here on the sides, we have the transverse processes. So we have 2 transverse processes for each vertebra. Between the vertebra, we have the intervertebral discs. Inter meaning between, vertebra, the vertebral discs. These discs consist of fibrous cartilage. This opening on the side, which is formed by the 2 vertebra, this is the intervertebral foramen. The spinal nerves, they exit the spinal cord through the intervertebral foramen. And lastly, we have the spinous process. We have only 1 spinous process per vertebra and 2 transverse processes per vertebra. Moving to the anatomy of a typical vertebra. So all vertebra, whether it's a cervical, thoracic, or lumbar vertebra, they have common features. This is the body right here, also called the centrum. This is the transverse process. As we said, we have 2 transverse processes per vertebra. This is the spinous process. We have 1 spinous process. This surface is the superior articular process. It allows the articulation of each vertebra with the vertebra above it. So, superior articular processes are located on the superior aspect of the vertebra. This part right here is the lamina, which is between the spinous process and the transverse process. Whereas this is the pedicle right here between the body and the transverse process. This entire structure is the vertebral arch. Right here we have the spinal cord. The spinal cord is located in the vertebral foramen. The vertebral foramen of all the 24 vertebra will form the spinal canal where the spinal cord is located. Thank you for watching. Check out my next video.